That's exactly it. If you have any lawn furniture outside that can easily get blown over, make sure you secure that or bring it in the garage, put it in the shed, because that's the type of wind we are going to be seeing today. Temperatures right now in the mid to upper 50s. They are warm winds. That is for sure. Wind gusts right now, especially off to our west, near even above 30 miles an hour, Columbus, Norfolk, and York, gusting between 20 and 25 miles an hour in the Omaha metro and in western Iowa. So warm and breezy early on, and then downright strong winds this afternoon. Those wind gusts 45 to 50 miles an hour in the Omaha metro. Warm winds, 70 degrees by noon, still 71 by 5. We're going to have high temperatures back in the mid 70s later today. But there's the wind advisory across a lot of the KETV viewing area, including Omaha and Lincoln. South winds gusting up to 50 miles an hour. But this darker orange color, or you can nitpick what color you want to call that, but the other color is the high wind warning. It does include Polk and York County in our viewing area, but that's where wind gusts could top 60 miles an hour in some places. So a really rough drive along I-80. Any east-west road today, make sure you have two hands on the wheel, especially if you're in an open area. Clear sky this morning. We might get a couple of clouds, kind of like what we had yesterday. A couple clouds develop around sunrise, but then a lot of sun this afternoon. Big trough digging in across the western U.S., and that is going to bring in much colder temperatures and eventually rain and snow. There are the clouds early this morning, more sun going into the afternoon, and then we'll see the clouds kind of thicken back up later this evening. As this little wind shift line approaches ahead of the front tomorrow, there could be a little drizzle, a couple of isolated rain showers on Monday morning, but it's really behind this front in the afternoon where we start to see the rain develop, even a couple of thunderstorms. And we're also going to feel a big drop in temperatures late Monday into Monday night and Tuesday, eventually cold enough that we're going to see some wintry precipitation. So tomorrow morning, again, here's 9 o'clock, temperatures starting off in the mid 60s. Notice how the temperatures fall very quickly tomorrow afternoon if you live northwest of Omaha. A lot of us will still have highs in the low 70s, but by sunset, that front comes through and temperatures quickly drop into the 30s and 40s. So make sure you're watching my forecast tomorrow morning, because if this slows down any or speeds up, it could mean a big difference in what you need to be wearing outside tomorrow. We could get about a ½ inch of rain before the cold air comes in and changes it to snow, but there is the potential for a thin strip of accumulating snow. Now, maybe a dusting of slush in parts of the metro, up to an inch, I would say, maybe northwest of Fremont, northwest of David City, but there could be a little stripe where locally 2 to 3 inches of snow are possible anywhere in northeast Nebraska, maybe around the Norfolk area. So still warm tomorrow with highs in the low 70s. Temperatures keep falling on Tuesday. There could be a brief wintry mix in the morning, so the morning drive Tuesday could be a little rough. And then we'll get quieter and cooler through the end of next week with temperatures in the 40s and 50s.